What's up guys, Chris Chevier here, and today I got a non-LHR 3060 that I was able to buy from RGB Swap. I don't know if you guys have heard of this website. This video isn't sponsored or anything, but I bought it from rgbswap.com. It's like just pretty much the same thing as eBay, but they only take 2.5% commission. So when you sell on there, they only take 2.5% of the sale. So much better than eBay's 12.55% on electronics. But yeah, this is the Zotac Gaming Twin Edge RTX 3060, 12 gigs of RAM. And the guy that was selling this, I saw he was online on RGB Swap. It'll tell you if the seller is online because you'll be able to chat with them. So I clicked on it and started chatting with the guy, and I was like, when did you purchase this? And he was like, oh, I purchased this GPU back in February. So I knew since it was back in February, this thing had a very high chance of being one of the non-LHR 3060s, and I went and took the chance on it, bought the card for $660, and that's after tax and shipping. And yeah, I bought it, and the guy was in Ohio. I live in Michigan, so this was here within one day. He shipped it on a Monday. It was here on a Tuesday. So I got this thing ripping. I put it on a motherboard, plugged it in, got pretty scared because I used to have 3060 drivers on this motherboard and hard drive already. So when I plugged it in, it wasn't working at first. It wasn't showing the 47005 driver that I normally use with my 3060s. But I just went and installed that driver and it worked fine. And this thing actually is an LHR 3060. So I also noticed I just bought one of these same Zotac cards, Twin Edge, but the other one said OC. I bought one on eBay a few days ago and I got ripped off. It said non-LHR in the title and it ended up being an LHR card. So I returned that one and I went on RGB Swap, saw this one, started talking to the guy, made sure it was non-LHR because he bought it in February. So a good thing to look for if you're looking for these Zotac non-LHR cards is the new ones will say OC right here, overclocked. I'm pretty sure all of the OC versions are LHR, so that's something to look out for. So try and find one that have an old serial number, so like ones that were like before 2000 or whatnot, and then look for the ones that aren't OC. But yeah, this is what the card looks like. Very clean. Backside's pretty nice. Yeah, it's a really nice card. It actually came with Samsung memory, which I was surprised about. I've heard a lot of Zotac cards come with Hynix memory, so I was impressed to have Samsung memory on here. But let's jump into the computer and I'll show you guys some overclocks and hash rates. Alright, so here's the hash rates, guys. We're getting 48.11 mega hash. Core temp is at 47. Over here for the core clock, we got negative 400, and we got the memory clock plus 1200. And for the power limit, we're at 70, and the fan speed is at 92, and we're pulling 115 watts, it was saying. So some good hash rates here from this card. 118 power limit right now. If you got the Samsung memory, keep it at 1200. If you have Hynix memory, you're going to want to leave it at 1000 or 1100 for the memory. And if you don't know what you have, what you can do is open up GPU-Z once you get it installed. Boot it up. And right here it'll say memory type Samsung, or it'll say Hynix. So that's how you can figure out what memory type you have. I hope this video is helpful. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.